The two main highways leading up to the San Bernardino Mountains are Highway 18 and Highway 330. When going to Crestline and the Lake Arrowhead area, the highway to take is Highway 18. But when you're going further east on the mountains to the Running Springs and Big Bear area, Highway 330 is the one to take. A Running Springs neighborhood along Highway 330 is the Smiley Park Country Club neighborhood of Running Springs. And in this video, we will explore the Smiley Park neighborhood of Running Springs. In my most recent video, I did a virtual showing of a beautiful country home listed for sale in Smiley Park. Be sure to check that out. But today, I will do a home tour of Smiley Park and will feature two more homes that are available for purchase. And stick around till the end to know what makes this neighborhood special, and we're getting after it right now. If you are new to this channel and would like to know everything about living in Running Springs, buying or selling your home in Running Springs, Lake Arrowhead, and the surrounding San Bernardino Mountain communities, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you will be the first to know about the current market in Running Springs, Lake Arrowhead, and the surrounding San Bernardino Mountain communities. My name is Alma Borcuk with the Living in Lake Arrowhead California team. We get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking to buy or sell their home in Running Springs, Lake Arrowhead, and the surrounding San Bernardino Mountain communities, and we absolutely love it. Whether you're making your move in 9 days or 90 days, just give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. We're here ready to help the buying or selling of your home in Running Springs, Lake Arrowhead, and the surrounding San Bernardino Mountain communities smooth and stress-free. Smiley Park is a neighborhood in Running Springs that is right off Highway 330, and it is only about 15 miles, and that's about a 25-minute drive up Highway 330 from the San Bernardino Highland area, making it a great commuter location. A little about the history of Smiley Park. In May 1895, two brothers, Alfred and Albert Smiley, bought 262 acres of prime forest land along the edge of the San Bernardino National Forest for the purpose of building a resort. And in 1923, they sold all but 5 acres to a company which later incorporated it to what is now known as the Smiley Park Country Club, and it is a nonprofit home association. Smiley Park is private property, and homes in Smiley Park are actually on leased land. When you purchase a home in Smiley Park, you are granted a 99-year lease on the land, and the 99-year lease renews under every new ownership. The governing documents of the park provides that at least half of the area is to remain undeveloped, so you are assured that the neighborhood will never become overcrowded and will maintain its natural beauty. The park is currently composed of 164 memberships, and among the amenities included in the membership is road maintenance and having their own water system. By the way, I'd like to mention that short-term rentals are not allowed in Smiley Park. After our home tour, I will share with you the main amenity the park offers that makes this private community extra special, so don't miss out on that. In the neighborhood are a few vacant lots for sale, and that gives you the opportunity to build your dream home. Currently, there are just 3 homes available for purchase. One of them I featured in my most recent virtual showing video, so don't forget to check that out. It's a virtual showing of this very cozy, beautiful mountain country home. But today we will check out the 2 remaining homes listed for sale. But before that, let's go take a drive around the neighborhood. So we're in the Smiley Park Country Club neighborhood. And as you can see, it's just a beautiful, very secluded neighborhood. Right behind me, through the trees, is a view of the valley. And the first house on our home tour is just up here, coming up. And it is right behind me. It's got a circular driveway with room enough for 3 to 4 cars. So let's check it out. Check out the specs on this home. This home is listed for $398,900. It has 2 bedrooms and 1 full bathroom. The living space is 1,206 square feet, and that gives us a price of $331 per square foot. The lot size is 0.29 acres, and it was built in 1971. This cute, cozy cabin has a spacious living room with vaulted beamed ceilings and a rock fireplace, and the living room seamlessly leads to the dining area and open kitchen. On this same level are 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. This home has a good-sized loft that opens to a balcony, and from the porch right here are relaxing views of the surrounding forest. The spacious and mostly flat lot provides plenty of space for outdoor living, and the driveway that is level entry from the street has parking space for at least 3 or more vehicles. So let's go check out the backyard. Nice brick fireplace. And so there's a corn tree on the back. And this is the view from this side of the house. So it's a mostly level lot, very usable. And so that's our first house in our home tour of Smiley Park Country Club. This is the second home in our home tour of the Smiley Park Country Club neighborhood. This home is listed for $840,000. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a half bath. The living space is 3,600 square feet, which gives us a price of $233 per square foot. The lot size is 28,000 square feet, and it was built in 2021. This new construction home is near completion and is built on over 1/2 acre lot. It has an open floor plan with a spacious living room with vaulted ceilings and a decorative rock fireplace with a wood-burning stove insert. The bright and airy kitchen with a center breakfast bar opens up to a large dining area. From the kitchen is access to the oversized garage with room for 2 cars and extra space for toys and or a golf cart. There is also a separate laundry room. Upstairs is the primary bedroom with an ensuite bathroom with a soaking tub and its own private deck. Also on this upstairs level are 2 more bedrooms and a full bathroom. The big windows and sliding glass doors provide lots of natural light and breathtaking views of the forest, distant mountains, and the city below. Walk out the sliding glass door to a very spacious Trex deck for a more impressive view of the surrounding landscape. So that's our house number 2 in our home tour of Smiley Park. And there's only 3 homes that are listed for sale right now. And so be sure to check out my video that just came out. It's a virtual showing of a cozy mountain home in the Smiley Park Country Club neighborhood. If you are interested in the homes I featured in this home tour of Smiley Park or any other listing for that matter in Running Springs, Lake Arrowhead, and the surrounding San Bernardino Mountain communities, feel free to call, text, or email me. My contact information is in the description below. I am here ready to help you find that perfect mountain home. And be sure to check my other videos and subscribe to my channel and tap the bell for notifications so you will be alerted when I post a new video, and I post new videos weekly. So what makes the Smiley Park neighborhood extra special? It is the clubhouse and swimming pool that is offered to residents as part of their membership amenities. The clubhouse, which is right behind me, also has a picnic area with tables and benches and a barbecue grill, perfect for enjoying a gathering with friends and family. So that's our video for today. I hope to see you in my next one. And until then, bye for now.